and I've come to slay this evil-looking knife that I found on the road tonight in the Holy Spirit. And Felix is the only volunteer that could hold him. The God doll and the Batman doll couldn't do it. So, you ready? Telekinetically remove it without getting cut, hopefully, from the table. Because Felix is going to fling it with me and my supernatural power. Ready, set, go. Go away, you creepy cat. Ugh. Now, he could have stabbed my leg, but I had this insane thing about slaying this sick-looking... Look, it even stuck into the ground, man. So it was laying on the road right by Moog Road. I stuck it into my Wisdom dungaree jacket. Sick, isn't it? Because I didn't know how to close it, because I just didn't want to. Well, now I'm done with that sick thing. What was my next thing I was going to do? Oh, yeah. Well, here's one. So, this is how I got this out of Winn-Dixie tonight. I've never bought it before, and I thought it was cherry juice. And then I was like, no, it's cranberry. But it turned out good. I'm using it in conjunction with this Bing, right? On sale at Winn-Dixie, right? This was $5, right? So it's like way back. There's only one of them. I've never seen it in my life. I thought it was cherry juice. I'm like, alright, I'll invest $5 in this. So this is how I got it. I couldn't reach it. So I'm like, There's magically this tall, nice man standing there smiling at me, amused, going, would you like me to get that for you? That's how I got it. I just went, because I'm 5 foot half an inch. Ready, set, let's see what I can do with this. It says, pure. You are up. Yes, I'm up late. Ready? Let's see. Go. A little closer. Yeah, let's get you slippery, haha. Science. You gotta undermine it. Your planet is stupid as shit. No offense to anyone, but like, I haven't made my mark yet. Ready, set, go. Dina, you're a minute away. Thank you, guy. Cranberry juice, come on down. Slippery like now. What if P.S.O, the sheriff's department, what if they like, come out dancing? It's moving at no neck speed, like shoot. Meanwhile, it's melting onto my sweet little soap that also smells great. Come on, man, I want to make one good video. With a success at every second. Okay, go. Jump. Sacrificial thing. God doesn't want sacrifices. What the hell? What's he gonna do with him? In other words, if you could avoid it, don't sacrifice yourself. Don't sacrifice anyone. It's all about peace, love, and harmony, man. Moving too slow. So much for purity and virtue and nah. Let's see. What could I do? What could I do? Here. It's an invention. The banana holder. Great mimsy invention of 2 parts. Move! And Batman was wrestling it for a minute on the cup. You have to be there. Okay. And where's it? Excuse me. Can't read you. And ready, Mimsy? Ready, Dina? Mark, get set, go. Go on, Felix. Okay. Are you having fun, Felix? Hell yeah, Dina. Did you just curse? You can take it, Dina. Okay, go. What if she's like, I don't like fucking hypocrites, okay? I said it, okay. Felix, you're moving, but like, I understand, I'm hung up as hell. You? For real, Dina? Okay. Let me re-engage you. On your marks, yup. Get set. And go, Felix. Bye, Dina. Bam. No. Nice setup. Nice setup. On your marks, get set, go. Oh, she's a Pentecostal, alright. That's right, Felix. You? Oh, hell yeah. Not funny to us, is it, Felix? No, it isn't. I'd like to change the world, but I'm waiting for someone to go for me. Come on, Felix, you're so close. Sorry, Dina. Sure, Felix. You're gonna help them, Dina. Alright, Felix. Let's go, bro. At least you believe me, Felix. Others may, but I don't know. Ready? Set. You're just holding me up in time, and I will not have this shit anymore. Once upon a time, I mark it set, go Felix. Okay, Dinico, this is really to show you that you're gonna be famous really soon. Okay, if that's what amuses you, yes. Far be it for me to stop a black cat from being amused, especially when it's an immortal animated friend. That's the spirit, Dina. Go, Felix. I don't mind if I do. You're stuck. It's true, Dina. I can't. I just. Oh, the stupid slope. Slope is getting slimy, the soap. Go, Felix. It's us against the effing planet already, alright? Go. I don't have any friends. God, Felix. Do you know the whole cosmos is your friend? Yeah. Yeah, Dina, yeah. Well, it's always nice of you to drop by. I'm burning minutes, Felix. Don't worry, Dina. What, have you been talking to Jesus again? Yeah. Have you listened to the Salmon on the Mount? Yeah. Yeah, it was great. It was great. There was nothing fishy about it. I really liked it. I see. Ah! How dare you? It's not me, it's the magnetics. You know that. Yeah. Okay. I'm not crazy. I'm not fucking crazy. Stop it. Look, I'm magnetically balancing stuff. That's all. Huh. Okay, go. Rolly, do it now. Go. Okay. Ah. Ready? Yes. Good, get lost. No. Listen, you have 3 seconds. I see what's happening. The soap was just stick a thing to the thing. Look at you. Look at my invention. I was afraid. Okay. I don't know. I never had a childhood. What the fuck do you want from me? I really didn't. Okay, well. Oh man, guys, 1 second. A little awkward on the feet, Felix. Ah! I'm gonna get it. So, I was telling him, and then, move along, son. Ah, Dina. He's moving and he's draining the shit out of me. Oh. Wait there, Felix. Okay. Starting to doze off, are you? Damn. Good. Sorry, guys. I just can't find my calling tonight. Here. Let me just get rid of the angels. She's starting to slam things around, man. Well, you know. I'm eccentric. Ready, set, go. It's coming, man. On your marks. Go. Angels, you answered to me. Okay, Dina. What do you want to know? What's 9 times 17 divided by 6? This is a bunch of bullshit, guys. Did I say that? Yeah. Because I just said it. That's how I feel. I'm going to slay something. I'm going to slay something. I'm going to slay. It's so close. Once upon a time. On your mark, get set, go. And go. Too long, sucker. Ooh, I turned the lamp off with the soap. Guys, I'm really sorry. This just stinks tonight. Fix it. Okay, Dina, you got this. No, God, I have a lot of dangling stuff tonight, man. Let's stop